How to restart a game on Xbox Series S or Xbox Series X. First of all, on the dashboard homepage of the Xbox, click up to the top menu, then click A on My Games and Apps. In there, you can scroll along to the game you want to reset or restart. Click that menu button on your controller once you're on it, then scroll down to Manage Game and Add-ons. In there, once you've clicked on A, you'll be able to go down to Save Data. Now, for most of you, I think this is what you'll want. You'll be able to delete your process on your account. So for mine, the How To Cow account, you can go ahead and press A on that, then delete from console or delete everywhere. Click Delete Everywhere if you want to restart your progress for most of you. As well, you can clear reserve space if you want to do that as well, so that'll make sure it gets everything off the game. You can click delete all at the top if that's what you want, and you can also click on uninstall all for that game, so that really delete everything, then properly restart again on your account and everything on the Xbox itself. But once you've done any versions of them, you'll be finished. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.